Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. Ice cream, you scream, you don't want to scream at your ice cream scoop. So with this ice cream scoop from OXO, I guarantee you, you won't. If you're an ice cream lover, you know how frustrating it can be when you pop open a carton of ice cream and you pull out your ice cream scoop and you feel like you have to utilize your ice cream scoop like a shovel and put all your muscle into it just to get a single scoop of ice cream. With this, it works effortlessly. Even if your ice cream has been in the freezer for a little bit and it gets a little hard on top, you're not gonna fight with this ice cream scoop. I don't know what kind of magic they designed in the head of this. Maybe it's how the metal's real thin, but it just cuts into the ice cream with ease. I also love the rubber handle. It's comfortable in your hand and it also doesn't get cold. If you've ever had like a metal ice cream scoop and you go to scoop something, it gets really cold. So this is just overall more comfortable in your hand. So if you are an ice cream lover, this scoop is where it's at. And that's my point of view.